people, you already know what's going on by the thumbnail and whatnot. But basically,
there's no brakes.
Yeah.
The pedal just drops to the floor.
Time for the excuses, but yeah, we're having problems with the car. But it's not going to stop us from having some fun. Basically, we on the last session we cooked the pads. It was metal on metal, and we replaced the pads. And I don't think I bedded them in properly. And the pedal's so spongy. I think we cooked the brake fluid as well. But yeah, there's obviously more excuses throughout the day you'll hear throughout this video. But basically, yeah, gearbox troubles as well. But yeah, we were queuing for ages. And we just managed to get back on track. Well, get back on track. Well, look, we haven't even joined the track, and as we're joining right in front of us, we get a red flag, and straight away, yeah, there you go, the lights turn red. So we were gutted basically. We basically wanted to go out with that blue EK4, I believe, is the B16 Hamza Civic, and yeah, we were gutted that as soon as we joined, you know, we got pulled off.
Hello?
You only just gone out, haven't you?
Yeah.
That's okay. Carry on down then. Just wait for that guy to release you at the bottom there.
Perfect. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Obviously, we were so relieved that we can go back on without joining the queue. But yeah, this guy's just saying wind the windows up and then back on. We don't know where everyone is at the moment. Like, we come off and then come back on, and then literally there's some cars behind us, but we don't know where everyone is at the moment. At the moment it's going to be an empty track, and I don't like an empty track. I'll tell you why now. But basically, yeah, we're just looking where everyone is. We don't know where anyone is.
What if you had to come off and they didn't let him back on?
Maybe it's in front.
But basically, with an empty track, like, you know, it's good if you want to chase the seconds and whatnot and get a good lap time in. But I'm not here for that. I got a shit car. I'm not looking to, like, you know, break any records. I just want to have some fun, you know. You can toy with some of the other cars, so I'm just waiting for some of the cars to come catch up. So obviously, I'm only at 4,000 RPM. Like, what sort of track day do you do at 4,000 RPM? Do you know what I mean? Like, that's not even in the power band. You ain't even in VTEC or anything. But yeah, I'm just waiting for them, and then literally as soon as we come through the chicane, cars will catch up. But unfortunately, we have the rear camera set up as well, but we lost the footage. I don't know where that's what happened with that, but unfortunately. So we'll be making references, cars coming, and you know, we can see so and so. But yeah, you won't be able to see us. And some of the cars were right on our bumper as well. It was so cool. But you know, unfortunately, yeah, we lost that footage. Right, here we go. We're going now. You'll see in a minute that third gear, it don't want to go in when you're pressing hard. But yeah, obviously that's one more excuse. But yeah.
Yeah, the brakes are cooked. Literally, there's nothing.
I'm having to brake a lot earlier now because obviously I got no brakes to slow myself down. So it's a bit boring to do that, but unfortunately, it is what it is.
I'm not that fresh yet.
Yeah, literally.
They're not even working.
They're not even working.
Yeah, it's just brand new pads. I think I've glazed them.
Oh, that Civic Type R is coming.
Yeah.
You can literally hear him come past. It sounds amazing. Yeah, see, it doesn't want to go in third gear. It doesn't want to go in third gear. It's so frustrating. But I just, you know, the only thing is you just can't hit that rev limiter like, you can't drive like that sort of thing. Not that I drive like that anyway, but because of that, you're having to, like, you know, drive it a little bit easier. But listen to the guy catch up and go. I really like the Civic. Just sounds amazing. Look, I can't even keep up with him. That's how rubbish my car is. Obviously his car is properly set up. I think he had track tires as well. I don't know if it was this one, but there was another Civic silver EP3 that was out on the day as well. He was caged and everything. But I can't remember like at the moment. But I'm just letting some of these cars pass because they're quick. Obviously I'm having to slow down so much because of the brakes, and I just didn't want to hold anyone up. Plus I'm waiting for the other Civic.
Yo, that's just because I got no brakes, I'm sure.
It was incredible how fast they were just overtaking me like I'm just standstill. Yeah, we're having to come off with the power band because of that third gear. If we go in third gear, it just doesn't want to go. It crunches horribly. But yeah, you heard the supercharger and that was pretty cool. But in terms of spec on the car, there's not a lot going on. If you, after this video, go back to my recent video, I do a full walk around and everything on this. It's basically a cheap car in it, so there's not much going on. mind, I'm like flat to the floor, like literally pedal to the metal, and it's still, you know, it's not as quick as their cars. If you guys got any tips in terms of what gears I should be in as well, let me know, because you know I'd like to obviously improve my driving and whatnot. And we're still just waiting to see if we can either find that other Civic, the EK, or if you can catch up with us. In terms of sound for the car, we've got a K&N induction kit, and we have a sports cat, and we also have an M2 non-resonating center pipe, and there's a Scorpion back box. So that's what the sort of soundtrack you're hearing is coming from. The VTEC crossover is quite strong in this as well, because of that intake. See that? You can literally hear VTEC kicking in and whatnot. Yeah, these single seaters are amazing, honestly. They're so quick, they literally catch up with you. You don't even see them coming, and suddenly they're behind you, and you're like literally moving out their way. Like this one, and there's another one as well. They were so quick. Bear in mind, I'm literally pedal to the metal, literally flooring it, and still they're just going, gone. And look, you can't even see them anymore, really. In terms of tires and whatnot, I'm just running base spec, like poverty spec. You know, the cheapest tires you can find. I think the iLink or Triangle is literally the cheapest, dirtiest budget tires you can find. Tread wise, they're alright though, like brand new tires, but like quality wise, they're just rubbish. But what I don't get is this Civic is faster than my other Civic on ground track. I think it was 1 whole second quicker. Also, if you guys want to see like a full vlog of the track day and whatnot, I'll see if I can put some clips together and make a full vlog. We got some footage recorded, and I'll just see if I can chuck some on. But let me know if you want to see a vlog, or just want to see this, like, you know, hot laps and whatnot, and then I'll do the content accordingly. Whilst I was on track, honestly, I felt like I was going so fast. But when you see these cars come past, like, oh look, we're doing 100 miles an hour. I don't see. It was just amazing to see these other cars just battering past. I mean, the fastest we got up to on the day was about 128 miles per hour, and that was on speedo. We had like an app downloaded that would tell us all the information. But yeah, 128 miles an hour is the fastest top speed we've done GPS speed. On the speedo, we were probably doing a little bit higher. It's always out. In terms of crashes, I think 1 or 2 cars buckled up on this corner. There was a Mini and something else on the day as well, but thankfully they didn't close the track for long. It was just like, you know, sent the recovery truck out, picked them up and brought them back in. And I think in the distance is now where we can start seeing a few more cars, and that's where the Civic is. Basically, start off with the beginning of the day. Basically, we were annihilating him in our Civic, and basically he's got obviously like an EK with V16, so power wise we've got the upper hand. Ours is a lot newer car, but his car is set up nice. He's got nice suspension, he's got an LSD in as well, and then basically Hamza took some tuition, like the free instruction, and honestly 10 out of 10 I'd recommend it, because now this session after his instruction, honestly it's night and day difference. Like, we can't keep up with him. He's a totally different driver now. He's driving his car like he knows his car inside out now. Obviously he's learned so much in that instruction that, you know, it's 100% worth it. If you want to learn how to drive your car, come on the track day, do the tuition. Honestly, it's so much worth it. And look, the guy's just pulling away from me. I've got so much more power than him. He's gone. I couldn't believe it. But we do catch up eventually. And there he is. We're catching him slowly, but honestly, his driving has changed so much. catch him, and we basically completed one full lap. After this last little bend, there's one chicane, and that's it. That's the lap complete, and we still haven't caught him. But then again, his car is set up a lot nicer than mine is. My car is like falling into the car.
Hopefully he keeps going a couple of laps.
Yeah.
We were literally just getting started as well. In the bends, I'm catching it, but in the straights, he can put the power down. Obviously, he can do last minute braking. I can't do none of that. And this is where I wanted to drop down to third, but I knew if I dropped down, it's going to give me issues.
Yeah, I can't get here.
I just let the cars past. Look at the speedo cam, it's just vibrating like crazy. I got like pulley pushes as well on the engine mounts. I got the engine mounts pulley pushed inserts, not the actual hard mounts. I just got the inserts in it. It puts back so much vibration on it. Oh, then someone else passed now as well. Who's that? Oh, maybe he didn't come past.
Yeah, that's the brakes,
Yeah, the car was smelling horribly now. Now that I started practicing hard a little bit, the brakes started stinking, honestly. It was so bad. These Porsches, those two Porsches out, they were so quick. It sounded amazing.
I told you his car is quicker. That tuition, I paid a massive difference.
Honestly, tuition pays off. Get the free instruction. Even if it's certain organisers, you have to pay for it. Get the instruction. He's pulled away from me already. I was impressed. I was really impressed. Our Civic didn't disappoint. It's EK.
Keep going.
Oh, is he pulling off? Yeah, he pulled off. We basically wanted him to keep going one more lap because we're right on his bumper now. But yeah, oh well, it is what it is.
We were literally just getting into it. We were just getting into it. That was good.
But yeah, we've come off now. And you'll hear grinding, which obviously on track we couldn't hear. And basically the back pads are finished.
I rate him for that.
Yeah.
I rate him for that. Do you know what? That tuition helped him so much. Because first he couldn't keep up with me. Now he's pulling away from me. I told you from the start that his car's faster than mine.
Yeah.
His car was nice.
That's next level.
His car was nice. I mean, he come down from Birmingham as well, and that was his first time.
But he's got to come back out. He has to now.
And I've always been on Combe before.
He has to, and then this time have a bit of a play.
But yeah, make sure you check out my other videos as well, and let me know what sort of content you want to see. If you want to see more hot laps like this, or shorter, condensed, just the more
that
drama.
was good.
Yeah,
let me know, and I'll see if I can chuck some stuff up.
Oh, I enjoyed that.
But you'll hear the knocking now in a minute and the grinding. And you can hear it now. Grinding.
Something's rubbing. Maybe it's the brakes.
Yeah, I know. I could hear it. It's metal in it.
Something like that.
It's basically metal and metal. The rear pads are finished. They are finished, and thankfully there's a Euro car patch down the road. I think it's 5 minutes away or so, and then we literally managed to pick up some new pads. But there's so many nice Hondas out on the day as well.
That was good.
Yeah.
There was a few EP3s, there was a few FN2s. I think there was only 2 EKs or something. There was an EG as well, a yellow one. But yeah, no. I can hear that. You can hear
Sounds
it
like
now.
your back brakes have gone down.
It is my back brakes.
Sounds like it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we literally go and pick up some pads. But that's it for today. But yeah, honestly, if you guys want to see more content, let me know what sort of videos you want to see. And if you want to come do a little track battle, let me know, and then if we're available, we'll come down and let's get some laps in. Because I do want to get back out on track a lot more as well. So I'd rather go and have some fun with someone than go on my ones, innit? So let me know, innit? We'll see if we can get something sorted. But check out my other videos as well. I got the full walk around of this car that I'm done the track day in. And yeah, thank you for watching.
Sounds like the back brakes are gone now.